Welcome to the Tech Challenge. We are going to install IBM Cloud Transformation Advisor in OpenShift 4.7 in less than 5 minutes. Let's do it. We have an OpenShift 4.7 cluster. The first thing we want to do is to go to the Operator Hub and check out for the IBM Operator Catalog. This is the Red Hat OpenShift Operator Hub. As you can see on the left-hand side, we should be able to find the IBM Operator Catalog. If you don't have it installed, I'm going to show you how to do it. Go to the top of your screen and click on the Import YAML file. To install the IBM Operator Catalog, you just have to go to the document you have on the description of this video, and from there you can copy and paste the next YAML file. And just clicking on the Create button, it will install the IBM Operator Catalog for me. Once the status is ready, it means that we can go and check out our catalog. Let's go back to the Operator Hub. As you can see on the left-hand side of the Operator Hub, we have a very long list of different categories, but one of them is IBM Operator Catalog. Just select this provider type, and now we are seeing in this catalog all the IBM products. So let's go and filter by Transformation Advisor here. And there you are, we have the IBM Transformation Advisor. To install Transformation Advisor, we just have to click on the Install. It is recommended that you use your own namespace for this operator, so let's create one namespace called TA. Now we are ready to deploy this operator. Let's install it. After a few minutes, the operator is installed. Let's check it out. Let's click on Transformation Advisor and create Transformation Advisor instance. Before you deploy your instance into the OpenShift cluster, you need to define some configuration parameters. For example, the license you're going to use for this. In my case, I can use license from the TA evaluation license. You can use the license from the Cloudpack for integration, or the one that is included with Cloudpack for Applications 5.1. I'm going to use that one. Then I'm going to accept the license and configure the database persistence. As you know, you have a CouchDB database that needs to persist on a persistent volume, and we have to specify what type of storage we want to use for that. Just go to that configuration, select the persistence, and it's very important to know what is the access mode you're going to use for this storage. In case of using IBM Cloud or other public clouds, you should use write once. Whilst if you're using, for example, an installation on VMware or on-prem, you can use read-write many. In my case, I'm deploying this on an IBM Cloud, so I'm going to choose read-write once. Open the storage class options, and you will see all your storage classes in the server. In my case, I'm going to use IBM C Block Silver. To install this, we need to access to an image registry. Let's take a look to the code and see where we can specify that. So going up again, click on YAML file view, and let's find inside the components that is installing. For the first one here, let's do the same as well for the other two. For CouchDB, and for Transat. The only thing we have missing is that pull secret that hasn't been created yet. So let's go and do it. Go to our workloads inside the project TA, go and find the secrets. Let's create a new image pool secret, and they are specified as one. The name will be TA pool secret. The registry server address will be cp.icr.io. The username will be cp, and the password will be your entitlement key. On the left-hand side, let's find our network settings, and then access to the routes. In there, the Transformation Advisor operator has created 3 routes for us. The one that access to the main portal is the last one. Let's open it. Our Transformation Advisor is up and running. I can start creating my modernization projects. Thank you for listening, and stay techy.